you see the seagulls?
I have my 3 friends.
Where are they?
So why are there seagulls here?
I don't know.
So what the fuck is that? That ain't a seagull.
Yes, it is.
Fuck? Seagulls?
I don't think those are seagulls.
No.
Yes, they are. I've
I
seen
actually
seagulls.
think they fucking are.
Yeah, they
Are
are.
you fucking kidding me?
Nope.
It's the end of the world. Next, I'm gonna see a fucking zebra come by.
Maybe.
Are you fucking shitting me?
Seagulls.
Yeah, they're probably heading closer to Florida.
Was it near Danielsville,
I
Billy?
don't know where the fuck it was.
That's a playground?
I was just out exploring one day.
Or is that's a furniture place, I guess, but it looks like a playground.
No, they build kids' furniture. They build like tree houses for kids. Run, kid, run! Why's that kid running?
Oh, shit.
He did something wrong. We just caught
He
him.
took a dive. No, he's... Ghost was after him. Ghost pushed him. Shoved him down. That boy has the gift.
Casper the not so friendly ghost. The gift, like the ghost whisperer.
Probably. I wish somebody would make a parody like the Ghost Screamer. Hey! Hey! Can you hear me? Ah!
Sounds like the curious little cinnamon bun.
Oh no!
What's that? I'll take a picture of the reef.
Looks like you could like throw balls or something through it.
Like a hoop?
Yes.
I'm kind of cold.
Hoop ball. Here, baby, you can have my coat.
No,
You can have my coat.
I won't take your coat.
You can have my coat.
How about we share it?
Okay.
Okay.
Bar, so no.
What were you trying to do?
Oh, I can get one open with a credit card easily, but
What were you trying to do though?
I was trying to get crack.